Hi, this is David from ChefsTemp. Last year, our ProTemp Plus introduced the concept of unlimited range to the wireless meat thermometer industry, and it received tremendous positive feedback. Many called it a game changer, but at ChefsTemp, we never stop innovating. So today, we're excited to introduce the revolutionary ProTemp 2 Plus. It's a true game changer once again. This thermometer has everything you need and more, delivering convenience beyond your expectations. Do you ever get frustrated when wireless probes leave a large, unsightly hole in your beautifully grilled steak? The ProTemp 2 Plus solves that problem with the thinnest probe available at just 4.6 millimeters or 0.18 inches thin, compared to our competitors' bulkier 6 millimeter probes. It leaves an unnoticeable mark on your protein, preserving the presentation and texture of your culinary masterpiece. But that's not all. Even with its incredibly thin size, the wireless probe features a built-in battery, delivering up to 40 hours of continuous use, perfect for those long smoking sessions. You can rely on it to last through every slow-cooked brisket or extended barbecue feast. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The ProTemp 2 Plus is compatible with our Breezo Temperature Fan, perfect for outdoor barbecue cooking on a charcoal grill. This transforms it from a simple thermometer into a comprehensive cooking assistant, allowing you to automate the grilling or smoking process without constantly checking or adjusting vents. The ProTemp 2 Plus is built tough, with a metal and ceramic wireless probe that withstands ambient temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit on the handle and internal temperatures up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit at the probe tip. It's perfect for high heat cooking and direct grilling. With 5 sensors in the probe tip for precise internal temperature monitoring and 1 on the handle for ambient temperature, the ProTemp 2 Plus ensures accuracy every time. Like its predecessor, the ProTemp 2 Plus offers unlimited range, keeping you connected to your cooking from anywhere. Whether you're out shopping or walking, you're on the golf course, or you're just relaxing, you'll receive real-time updates and alerts straight to your phone or watch. The ProTemp 2 Plus can control multiple devices through one app, supporting up to 3 probes per device and up to 3 devices in total. So that means you can monitor up to 9 probes simultaneously. Perfect for managing large barbecues, complex grilling situations, or multiple cooking tasks at once. For outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the ProTemp 2 Plus also features a water-resistant stand designed to withstand rain and harsh weather conditions. With the ProTemp 2 Plus, ChefsTemp continues to push boundaries, delivering innovation and convenience to your cooking adventures. It's time to take your grilling to the next level.